If you're checking out your inventory in DMZ and you find that you have these other insured slots here, how do you do them? Well, for the second insured slot, all you need to do is from the menu head to Mission Objectives, followed by Upgrades, and on the Weapons Locker section, you'll find Unlock Second Insured Slot. All you need to do is extract with 3 IFAKs found at hospitals, extract with 1 AFAK or large medical bag, also found at hospitals, more than likely usually, and finally extract with 1 enemy operator's weapon. This last one may be easier said than done if you're solo, but if you play on teams or just join enemies anyway, you can easily pick up enemy operators' weapons, extract with them, and have it done in no time, as I have here. It's very easy to do. Now, unfortunately, if you'd like to unlock the third insured slot here, you need to extract with 5 GPUs, extract 10 enemy operators' weapons, and extract 10 gold bars as well as 8 golden skulls. This is a ton of stuff to do, the gold bars, skulls, and that's pretty much it. You'll get from airdrops in games, which is very easy to get and loot, especially if you take down multiple SAM sites. Enemy operated weapons really just relies on you playing the game and getting enemy kills. This can't really be sped up at all really unless you actually go hunting players and picking up hunt squad contracts. Finally, extracting 5 GPUs, these are incredibly rare, and the fact that you'll find one of them in a few hours of gaming is pretty rare anyway. All you need to do is search tons and tons of computers whenever you find them, and if you were to find a GPU, make sure you extract a live with it in order to get progress here. As you can see inside of a first aid kit here, we found an IFAK. You'll also find AFAKs in here sometimes as well. And inside here we have a cabinet with a self-revive. Cool, but not what I want. Another one, bandage. AFAK, we need that for something else. Another medical cabinet, rad blocker, AFAK. Right, so we're on the far east side of the map. We are nearby 2 hospitals. There's one very close, somewhere around here, I think it is. Maybe this one. I think this is the hospital here. And over here, this little L shape is a hospital as well. So we're super close to 2 of them at least. There we go. Some hospitals are usually super blue and easy to spot. So if we enter this one here and have a look around, hopefully we'll find what we're looking for. Revive pistol, useful, but not what we're looking for. AFAK, yes. Having a look, we just need 2 more IFAKs and we're done here. IFAK, sweet. So you can usually find these in the underground, in the complex, but that's not always the best thing, as this is a very difficult area to get to. Surely they can't be hiding all of the good stuff behind here. I think there's a safe somewhere in this building. More computers. A GPU, that's actually incredible luck. Let's get out of here. Let's pop a UAV and run. And let's get out of here. That's my first GPU secure, which is crazy actually. These things are incredibly rare. Obviously, this upgrade will distract you from pretty much everything else. But hey, that's 1 out of 5. That is the most difficult part of this mission. The rest of these, the gold skulls you can get from killing the vehicle that drives around Vondel, safes, etc. Enemy operators' weapons, obviously plentiful, especially if you play in teams. Gold bars, also as well, safes and things like that. I think more likely safes than orange boxes, airdrops, etc. And finally, the 5 GPUs, that's just searching through computers and hoping you get lucky. As soon as you find one, run for your life. Okay, so we'll head back to Vondel, as there's tons of computers here, etc. So I have a fire station key. It's probably worthwhile checking to see if there's any loot here. And there we go, aspirin. There become gun oil in a toolbox. So there's a few computers here in the Vondel fire station. Obviously, if you have a key, it's worthwhile checking these, as there are quite a few here. Oh, there we go, another GPU. Perfect. Sweet. As you can see, 2 out of 5, just to do that 3 more times now. No, stage bag. I've heard that checking the barista's bag and checking the 2 stage bags has pretty much a 100% chance of dropping a GPU, so we'll find out if that's true. So the barista's bag checked, which is all the way just to the west of the mall here. We'll go ahead and check the stage bag up in the north here, just to this section of the university here. Then we'll turn back and see if we can find it at the last place. So we'll check the stage bag here, and there we go, a GPU. Sweet. So now we'll go ahead and check the last GPU location, which will be the other stage bag. So with a GPU, that's great. We're making progress on these missions like it's nothing. We'll have 5 in no time. I think this is my 3rd or 4th one already. We'll go ahead and check the other stage bag location now to see if we find one here. So here's the other stage bag, and we'll see if in here we have another one. Yes, we do. Yo, I just found a 2nd GPU, dog. Sweet. Okay, so with all of that done, we'll head back to our teammates. It's great that we found 2 in one go. That's actually crazy. So we've already got 4 out of 5 GPUs and we're on our way to our 3rd slot. Sweet. So I'll head up to the stage bag next, where we'll hopefully find the GPU all the way over here on the far west. Right, so we'll check the stage bag here. And, oh, wait, GPU, dude, let's go. Next one. That's 3 in 2 games. Okay, so we'll check this second stage bag all the way up here in the far north by the university. And another GPU. Yo, you'll never believe it. I can't believe it. A second GPU. Okay, let's check the barista's bag. Maybe we'll get a third one. That's actually insane. Like, they upped the GPU spawn rate so much. So we'll quickly check the mall over here for the barista's bag, where we can maybe find a GPU there as well. Then we'll extract. So we'll quickly climb over here and check the barista's bag as well. Ah, no GPU here. Okay, let's extract. So there we go, 2 more graphics cards. That should now complete the mission. So we'll head back to mission objectives, upgrades, weapons locker, and yes, it is done. Awesome. So thank you all for watching. That has been how to unlock your 3rd weapon slot. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.